Hi guys, this is Chartwell Shopping Centre in Hamilton, and you know what that means? It's time for a lift tour. Now, this is my first ever lift tour on my channel, so yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Now to the first lift. We head to the lift outside a countdown that runs between floors 1 and 3. Third floor is the event cinemas, and the second floor is just more shops. And this lift here is a Schindler 5400. No, I'm not going to play with it. This time it has D-series fixtures. Look, here it is. Here is a lift here at Chartwell Shopping Centre in Hamilton. It is a Schindler 5400 with D-series fixtures. The last 5400 I filmed it at M-series fixtures. Here we are, one. Yep, take it back down. These buttons don't beep. There's your capacity, 1,350 kgs for 20 persons. And now to the next lift. This lift runs between all 3 floors, but the third floor it has a car park on the top. And the second floor has more shops, and this lift is a Schindler 5500 with black linear. Oh, nice. Buttons don't beep at all. This is a lift here at Chartwell Shopping Centre in Hamilton. It is a Schindler 5500 with black linear. Awesome. Yep, take it back down now. Floor numbering's not done right. It's meant to be ground 1, 2, but it's 1, 2, 3. Don't know why. Hello. Alright. Rear with the black linear. Still awesome. And that's it. And now to the next lift, which is in Farmers, and this lift is an EcoDisc. Here is a lift at Farmers in Chartwell Shopping Centre in Hamilton. It's another EcoDisc. Capacity, 21 persons at 1,600 kgs. Take it down now. Hello there. Yeah, there we are, back at 2. And that's it. And now to the final lift. This lift runs between the floors 1, M, 2 and 3. And this lift is also an EcoDisc. Yes! What the hell is M? Are we at M? Oh, okay. This is a lift here at Chartwell Shopping Centre in Hamilton. It's an EcoDisc. Awesome. Here's your capacity, 12 persons and 900 kgs. Opens out the side, now we'll go down. Rather small lift. Feels quite small to be an EcoDisc. Well, it is an EcoDisc, but Yeah. Take it down to 1. And then we'll take it back up to M. That's where I want to go. Take it back down to M. Sorry, up. Sorry, up. Here we are, M straight away. And yeah, that's